Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin continues to form a downtrend. The trend structure is identified as downward, and the CHOCH line is located at 82,800 USD, where the last lower high formed. Only above this level can the downtrend be considered complete. The last and only FVG was broken through and turned into a bullish IFVG. Therefore, this area is already a point of interest for long positions going forward. Bitcoin has not yet broken the downtrend, but over the past few days, the chances of a bearish trend ending have increased sharply. This cannot be denied. The 4-hour time frame clearly shows how Bitcoin literally took off into space. There is no point in analyzing the 4-hour time frame at this time, since the movements are too strong. Therefore, signals in the coming days should be locked for on the daily time frame or even on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, the technical picture has completely changed in just few days. Now Ethereum may start a new uptrend, but there are no current bullish patterns on either the 4-hour chart or the daily chart. In fact, traders can now only rely on the weekly chart, on which Ethereum can head towards 4800, which acts as the upper limit of the 5-year sideways channel. In any case, to open positions, the market needs to calm down at least a little, and new, understandable patterns have formed. The closest bearish FVG was worked out on the daily time frame, but this FVG belongs to the previous trend. If it provokes a market reaction, it will most likely be corrective. A bearish FVG has been formed on the 4-hour time frame, which may give a reaction in the coming hours. But let us repeat, if there is no fall in Bitcoin, then regardless of the patterns, Ethereum will not show a fall either. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.